Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only.
What year are you looking for?
31.
Oh yeah? Yeah, it'll be a little harder than 55, I think. But you see, oh, this guy, oh, look out, everybody!
Old timer got destroyed after vehicle lost control and smashed straight into it. Volkswagen got instant karma treatment after overtaking on an emergency lane.
That's not connected, right? I don't know why you...
Whoa!
What is that 有问题了吧？那个车。
Even a slow speed accident can cause a serious damage. Speeding driver wasn't aware that traffic in front of him was slowing down.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
This driver got pulled over for speeding. Let's see, will he get a ticket or not?
County Sheriff's Office.
Hey, officer.
The reason I pulled you over is you're going way too fast down this mountain. Why?
Sorry about that.
Why?
I don't know.
This is not a track.
Yeah, I'm sorry about
You got
that.
the gloves on. I mean, I know the suspension's good. I know it can handle turns.
It's
I
not
know
like a
it's
Porsche,
got-
but I'm sorry
can't
about
do
that.
that.
I'm sorry about
You
that,
can't.
officer. Yeah.
Can I see your driver's license, please?
Sure, yeah.
Shut it off.
Can I reach it in my pocket?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Thanks. I was doing almost 60 to catch up to you. I know
Really?
you were doing high 40s, high 50s going down the mountain. It's like 35 on the turns.
Oh, sorry about that, officer.
All right, listen, it's a nice day.
Yeah.
You're out driving around, okay?
Yeah.
I didn't write you a ticket, okay?
Appreciate
I
it.
gave you a warning.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Yeah, appreciate it.
So, written warning, It's documented that I pulled you over
Okay, gotcha.
for going too fast for the conditions of the roadway. The conditions being the tight turns.
Right, okay.
Just please slow down.
Yeah, for sure, yeah. I'm about to just head back home.
Just be careful.
Alright, yeah, appreciate it, man.
This Jeep driver pulled out without checking for the traffic. He got served with instant justice.
Continue on this road for 6 miles.
This intersection is known for frequent accidents.
Have you been to the source?
The mall, right?
Oh my god. Wait, how, is that his car just randomly popped or the car like ran off? The car ran off? Is that what happened?
No, that car hit him.
Oh, hit and run.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.